Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to our exciting dive into the world of interior design trends for 2025. As we move forward into a new era, the way we design our living spaces is evolving to reflect our changing tastes, values, and lifestyles. This year promises a fresh take on interior design, blending innovative concepts with timeless elegance. From bold color choices to sustainable materials, 2025's trends are set to transform how we think about our homes. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or completely overhaul it, these trends will provide plenty of inspiration. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore the interior design trends that will shape our homes in 2025. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts. One of the most significant trends for 2025 is the increasing focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness in interior design. Homeowners are becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, leading to a demand for materials that are both stylish and sustainable. Expect to see a rise in the use of reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and sustainable textiles. These materials not only reduce waste but also add a unique character to your space. Bamboo, cork, and reclaimed wood are making a strong comeback, offering both aesthetic appeal and eco-friendly credentials. Incorporating these materials into your home can create a look that's as conscientious as it is chic. If you're inspired by this trend, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments. Say goodbye to minimalism and hello to bold, vibrant colors. In 2025, interior design is embracing a palette that's rich in hues and full of personality. Expect to see deep blues, vibrant oranges, and lush greens making their way into home interiors. These colors are not just for accent pieces but are becoming popular choices for entire walls and large furniture items. The trend towards bold colors is all about creating a space that feels lively and full of energy. To balance out these vivid tones, consider pairing them with neutral accents or natural materials to ensure the space remains harmonious. Embrace this trend to inject a dose of excitement and creativity into your home. Remember to subscribe and comment below on how you plan to use bold colors in your space. The angular, rigid lines of past decades are making way for softer, more organic shapes in 2025. Furniture and decor items with curved edges and fluid forms are becoming increasingly popular. This trend is inspired by the natural world, where smooth lines and rounded shapes create a sense of calm and relaxation. Expect to see sofas with curved backs, rounded coffee tables, and sculptural decor pieces that mimic the fluidity of nature. These organic shapes can add a touch of elegance and comfort to your home while also promoting a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Incorporate these elements to create a space that feels both contemporary and soothing. If you're enjoying these insights, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about how you plan to incorporate these shapes into your home. With the rise of remote work and flexible living arrangements, multifunctional furniture is becoming a necessity in 2025. This trend focuses on maximizing space and enhancing functionality without sacrificing style. Pieces like convertible sofas, expandable dining tables, and wall-mounted desks are designed to adapt to various needs and activities. Multifunctional furniture is especially useful in smaller spaces where every square foot counts. Look for designs that offer hidden storage or can be easily reconfigured to serve different purposes throughout the day. This trend is all about creating a home that's versatile and tailored to your lifestyle. If you find this trend intriguing, Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on your favorite multifunctional pieces. As technology continues to advance, our homes are becoming increasingly integrated with smart devices and systems. In 2025, expect to see more homes equipped with advanced technology that enhances convenience and efficiency. From smart lighting and climate control to integrated entertainment systems, technology is seamlessly blending into our interior design. Voice-activated assistants and app-controlled devices are making it easier to manage various aspects of home life. This trend is about creating a space that's not only stylish but also smart and responsive to your needs. Embrace these tech innovations to create a home that's both cutting-edge and comfortable. Remember to subscribe and comment below on how you plan to incorporate technology into your home. Texturize making a big impact in 2025, with a focus on layered and tactile surfaces that add depth and interest to a space. This trend involves mixing different materials and finishes to create a rich, dynamic environment. Think of combining materials like concrete, wood, metal, and fabric to create a multidimensional look. Textured wallpapers, woven rugs, and embossed tiles are all part of this trend, adding visual and tactile interest to your interiors. The goal is to create a space that feels warm and inviting while also showcasing a variety of textures and materials. If you're excited about this trend, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. The retro revival trend is bringing back styles from the mid-20th century with a modern twist. Expect to see furniture and decor inspired by the 1950s, 60s, and 70s making a comeback. This trend is characterized by vibrant patterns, bold prints, and iconic shapes that evoke nostalgia while still feeling fresh and contemporary. From vintage-inspired appliances to retro color schemes, this trend is all about celebrating the past while integrating it into modern design. Mix and match retro pieces with contemporary elements to create a home that feels both nostalgic and current. If you're loving this retro revival trend, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on how you plan to incorporate vintage elements into your home. And there you have it, our top interior design trends for 2025. From sustainable materials and bold colors to tech-integrated homes and retro revivals, this year is shaping up to be incredibly dynamic and exciting in the world of interior design. Whether you're looking to make a small change or undertake a complete overhaul, these trends offer plenty of inspiration to refresh your space. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into what's coming in 2025. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more design tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite trends or any ideas you plan to incorporate into your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.